test with the dead cat. How's the audio sound? It is a very windy day. The last time I uploaded a video with just the shotgun mic, the audio was very choppy. There is no wind right at this second. It's coming and going, gusts, but this is the test with the wind. How's the audio sound? I do have the dead cat on. Now, what I will do is I will unplug the mic for another sound reference. Alright, so now the microphone is unplugged. How's the audio? Not sure if you can see the trees behind me, how they're blowing. So, the mic is unplugged with the dead cat on top. How's the audio sound? Alright, microphone's back plugged in. How's the audio? How's the audio sound? The mic is plugged back in. I was at the field earlier and I tested it. I will show that clip now. I did have a different mount on the top so you could see the wind muff in the shot. So I'm going to turn around here. There's a car coming my way. See how that sounds, but I'll roll to that next clip now. You can see it in the shot. It is windy. This is just a test for me for vlogging on a windy day with the dead cat. So how's the audio sound? It's really windy. How's the audio sound? Dead cat's plugged in. We're gonna head back inside, and I'm gonna show a quick unboxing of this dead cat. So please like, subscribe. If this video was helpful, please smash the thumbs up and hit that notification bell when every time I upload a new video. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Later. Okay, so this is how the dead cat comes in the package. I did purchase this off Amazon. It was not shipped by Amazon. It was shipped by a different company. I'm not sure of the name, but I will link this down below in the description box below. This is the one for this microphone. So I will put it on. In the next clip, you'll see how it looks. Okay, so this is what the camera looks like with the dead cat mounted on it. And what you're going to want to do is, with this cage, it comes with this cool shoe extend. I guess it's an extender. In one of my clips that I had, you can see the hair, I guess, inside the video. So what I did was I came home and I put this on top, and it takes it out of the shot. So that was just a quick unboxing of this. Let me know in the comments below how you think the audio sounded, and stay tuned for the next video. Later.